Hi there. Do you love your EV, but you hate look at this, the fingerprints that you get on the screen from when you are putting your directions in, you're using the maps, you are scrolling through the different screens to see your battery charge. Look at how easy it is just to mark up the screen. I hate that about it. Love these screens, love everything about the EVs, but hate the fingerprints that are all over my screen all the time, which is why I found this on Amazon, this premium screen cleaner, and it is absolutely amazing. It comes with the microfiber cloth. So I'm just going to show you the difference so you can see how marked up it is, easy to get. You're touching things and then touching. Look at that. So all you do is you just give it a little spray, and it is absolutely amazing with the cloth. Cleans, and you don't need to use this for just your EV screens. It will work for your computer monitors. It works for the TV. I mean, my TV looks absolutely spectacular after using this. And as you can see, all of the fingerprints are now gone. I will turn on the screen so you can see that you will not see all the little fingerprints on it anymore once I turn the screens on. Look at that. Spectacular looking. Highly recommend getting one of these. It's small enough to keep in your glove compartment. So anytime your screen gets marked up, you can just give it a quick spray and a wipe, and your car will always look brand new. Highly recommend it. Thanks.